English similes. A simile is usually used to make a direct comparison. Let's take some examples. 1. As active as quicksilver. 2. As afraid as a grasshopper. 3. As ageless as the sun. 4. As agile as a cat or as a monkey. 5. As alert as chamois, or as a bird in springtime. 6. As alike as two peas. 7. As alone as a leper. 8. As alone as Crusoe. 9. As ambitious as Lady Macbeth. 10. As ancient as the sun, or as the stars. 11. As angry as a wasp. 12. As far apart as the poles. 13. As arid as the sands of Sahara. 14. As artificial as clockwork. 15. As artificial as made ice. 16. As audacious as the day. 17. As awful as justice. 18. As awful as thunder. 19. As awkward as a cow on ice.